shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kemmerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for February 5th, 2020. We're going to start with the SPY. Today's level is, we are bullish above 332.50. However, if you got my insights over the weekend, we did hit, I think, all our targets. We were bullish above 327.50, so awesome if you guys caught that trade. If not, watch that 332.50 level. And we will be bearish below 331, and that is for a retracement trade. Yeah, if we break down, then we could do a little bit of a retracement gap fill. You know, whenever we have a gap, it's either going to be a gap and go scenario or a little pop and drop gap fill. So watch those levels for the short-term trade today. E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 3330. You can see there's been resistance there in the morning, so bullish above that. Bearish below 3317.50, and that is another retracement trade. Let's move on to the Russell. IWM, bullish above 167.20. Yeah, and bearish below 165.80 for a retracement trade for the Russell. The Q's, huge level right above us at 230. So if we could break above that, bullish above, bearish below 229 for retracement gap fill. The NASDAQ futures, pretty similar, will be bullish above 94.75 and bearish below 93.70 for retracement. Let's go to oil. Oil, bullish above 51.20 for the oil futures. We came up there earlier and pulled back. And bearish below 50.50. Are they forming a bottom? Could be. Little bit more patience to see if we break above those prints or not. I have a great swing set up for you guys coming up on XOP in just a moment. You know what? Let me just get my futures out so I can get to the gold futures. All right, for the gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 1565, above that pivot. That's also a trend line on the weekly chart. Just get you there, right there. Yep, if we can break above that. Yeah, this is the big trend line that we're watching. It's only Wednesday. Are we going to stay above it? Yep, or is it going to close weak? You can see really bearish below this 1550 level, but today for a day trade, 1552.50, and our first target would be 1550. But yep, if we cannot hold that 1550, look out below for gold. All right, let's move on to Tesla. This was one of my best whispers yesterday. And today we are going to be bullish above 900. That's such a key level. Right now we have this doji. We have a gap doji. Is it going to be an abandoned baby? You guys know what that is? Yeah, that's if we were to close just like that and then gap down tomorrow. And here's a red candle, fill that in. Then it would be an abandoned baby scenario. Yeah, it's a reversal bearish topping pattern where they kind of abandon the doji baby. Yep, they fling it up in the air and they abandon it and they run in the other direction. That's kind of how we visualize that. That's if that happens, but just to share that with you, it's a rare pattern, but amazing pattern. So bullish above 900, bearish below 850, and that would be a retracement trade. Really haven't had any big prints on Tesla. Let's go to Apple. Bullish above 322. Bearish below 318.80. Yesterday we had some interesting dark pool prints near the end of the day at 319.02. Yep, we are way above that. However, if this is the splash and we do go below and close lower, that would be bearish. So watch that level carefully. AMD, nice volume this morning. Bullish above 50.63 cents and bearish below 48.75. The reason I picked 48.75, we did have A couple of prints that added up to $1 million is a little sneaky, $48.99. Let's go to Facebook. Now, Facebook having a nice rebound. Today we're going to be bullish above 212.50 and bearish below 210. Here's XOP. This is what I'm watching more for a swing trade. We had a 3 million print at 1931. We splashed down, kind of retested that this morning, and now we're below it. So give this, give it a little bit more time, but definitely watch that 1931. So bullish above 1960. Yeah, we'd have to close strong. I'm really looking for a close above this 8 exponential moving average. You guys know that is my favorite. So easy. Yeah, when the 4 crosses below the 8 and we have space, that's a bearish downward trend, and we've been just riding the 4 train. But if we do close above a 3 million print above the 8 EMA, yeah, that's when I start to turn bullish. And then, of course, the 4 would need to close above the 8 in the next couple days after that. But that is the key to what I am watching to get bullish on oil. Not there yet. We got to be above the prints and have a little trend change. So let's go to Ford. Ford had earnings. They didn't like it. We're going to be bullish above 860 and bearish below 825. Disney also had earnings last night. Bullish above 146.25, bearish below 144. We are there right now. 144 is on the bid. And let's see. Just watching to see if he's refreshing there. Yeah, watch that 144. Very key level. See if we can stay above that. Gilead had earnings as well. Bullish above 67.50 and bearish below 66.50. And last but not least is Snapchat. Also had earnings. Lots of earnings going on in the whisper this morning. Bullish above 17.75 and the bear trade just happened below 17.37. So there are your whispers. I'm going to be shooting film today and tomorrow. I will post anything unusual, maybe a little bit late, but it's actually not a bad thing because you really should let these big prints splash for a day or so. So, yep, but if there's anything unusual, I'll definitely get it out to you, but just keep in mind the next 2 days are going to be a little crazy for me, but I will be getting these whispers. Trade the whispers. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.